How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's Kevin here. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of this Amazon Basic 60-inch tripod. This Amazon Basic tripod is most highly sold and most highly rated on Amazon. It costs around $26 American and around $31 Canadian. Comes with a tripod bag and it weighs about 10 pounds. It's a nice nylon bag. Amazon Basic. The base feels like hard rubber. You're able to rotate the bottom for uneven surfaces. I read on reviews that some people receive this used. It looks like mine is used, I think. Some scratches, but no big deal. Let's test this baby out. To extend my legs, I'm gonna have to unfold the flaps. And then the second one, if I want it higher. Close it back to lock them. Now let's take a closer look. Here we have a hook here, just to hang your bag or whatever you want when you're out taking photos. Here we have a adjustable thing where you can stabilize your legs from moving. Now it's tight, I can't move it up. Here we have a handle to carry your tripod around. A level to make sure your camera is centered. There's another level, the second one. Here's the handle goes, makes the camera go up and down. Another piece that makes it stable so it doesn't wobble for the extender. Now this knob right here is to, if you have it loose, it turns left and right. If you lock it, make it tight, you're not able to turn it. This one right here is for up and down. Now I'm going to tighten it. Now I can't move it at all. For this knob right here, we're able to lift it sideways. In here we have a quick release. Turn it out. This piece attaches to your camera. And some reviews on Amazon says this piece scratches their camera, but I'll put electrical tape to cover it. And that's how you lock it in place. Here I have my base. I put some electrical tape over it. Due to a review, they think it'll scratch the camera, but I don't think it will. But I just did it just in case. So it goes on like this. And you just turn the screw. Nice and tight. Now we're ready to put it on the tripod. So push it to the free side, place my camera on top. Now I'm gonna lock it. So this tripod is made out of aluminum, but I feel pretty safe with my expensive camera being on here. It's not that bad. Feels pretty sturdy. Now let's do a demo on the tilting angles. Not bad, a range. So this can do a 360. And you can tilt it sideways a full 90 degrees. With everything out of the box, this feels like 4 or 5 pounds, pretty light. I have this maxed out, it's about 61.5 inches. From corner to corner is about 30 inches. Overall, with this tripod, I am pretty happy with it. From Amazon Basics. The quality is pretty decent and it won't break the bank. It's a good starter tripod and it does what I need. But I wouldn't recommend for professionals. If you do it for weddings or family photos for professionals, it probably won't be a good stable tripod. But other than that, it's a good for beginners. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.